Good morning, Michael.
Good morning, Oluchi. It's so good to see you and Joe looking all fabulous this morning.
Thank you.
Good morning,
so what's
Mike.
the latest,
Yeah,
Michael?
it's looking fabulous, but as it is, the COVID-19 pandemic is still ravaging the entire continent of Africa. Now, Africa's top public health agency, Africa CDC, has signed a memorandum of understanding with Pfizer to bring supplies of the pharmaceutical firm's Paxlovid antiviral COVID-19 pills to the continent of Africa. According to the director of the agency, John Nkekasong, the memorandum of understanding is with the legal office at the Africa Union. Now, this announcement comes within days of Kenya to build its first mRNA facility, and by South African drug maker Aspen to sell, package, and also distribute Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccines across the continent of Africa. According to Nkekasong, he is of the opinion that African countries should be using a combination of public health measures, vaccines, testing, and other treatments, namely the Pfizer one, in their efforts to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic this year. I love the fact that he said this year we need to overcome it, and it's something that we all must do. Still talking about overcoming the COVID-19 pandemic, we all know that this virus is a respecter of no man. Talking about no man, former US President Barrack Obama has tested positive for a mild case of COVID-19. In a tweet he made yesterday, Obama said, and I can show you the tweet on your screen right now, he made mention of the fact that he had mild cases. I just tested positive for COVID-19. I've had a scratchy throat for a couple of days, but I'm feeling fine. Otherwise, Michelle and I are grateful to be vaccinated and boosted, and she has tested negative. It is a reminder to get vaccinated if you haven't already, even as cases go down. Now, recall that in August, Obama scaled back his 60th birthday celebration due to the spread of the Delta variant of the coronavirus. In that tweet, Barack Obama, who has Kenyan roots, reiterated his support for the vaccine, saying that his positive test was a reminder to get vaccinated if you haven't already, even as the cases keep going down. So coming from a former US president, this should tell you that the COVID-19, anybody can contract it. You need to take the vaccines. If you've not taken it, please make sure that you adhere strictly to some of these measures that has been laid out by health agencies to ensure that you stay safe. And talking about the cases and talking about the tweet from the former president of America, Kenya Health Ministry has recorded 12 new COVID-19 cases, which now brings the total confirmed positive cases to over 323,000. I'm going to take a moment to show you the index in Kenya. Now they've recorded over 323,183 cases. That's talking about Kenya. And in a statement, the Health Commissioner Mutahi Kagewe stated that one patient has died. That was yesterday, now bringing the total number of deaths in the country to 5,645. Now, the number of vaccines given in Kenya stands at 17,118,224, and number of tests conducted in Kenya stands at 344,000. That is from the Ministry of Health in Kenya. Now, it's important that we do what we can. Kenya, before now, we know how they battled with this, vaccine and the COVID-19 pandemic. We had our East African correspondent, Abdino, who came up sometime last year to give us updates. And of course, now that Kenya is, seeing these numbers go down, it's important that, the citizens out there do what they can. Please take the vaccines. It's not dangerous to your health. And I think it's important that we do more. African leaders should actually do more, because this vaccine hesitancy now, that's why Africa CDC had to come up with getting these vaccines in pills, which I think is a very good move. Joe?
Absolutely. If you do not want to take it intravenously, you might want to just swallow and ensure that it still does the same work, but protecting you and also protecting your family and friends. That's what it's all about. I saw this coming, by the way. I was hoping, but I'm actually perplexed and surprised at the same time, but mixed feelings, and I'm happy that it's here now. Let's see how it will help Africa be better.
I'm actually super concerned in terms of, how we Africans are. They might probably start bringing up theories, telling you how, they try to give it us this way. Now they're trying to remodify it into pills, but, well, we just keep our fingers crossed and see how that happens. Talking about Africa CDC. Now, let me give you the numbers according to Africa CDC. The numbers are from the continent of Africa, talking about the number of cases. Africa has recorded 11.630 million cases, with deaths pegged at 251,742, while the number of recoveries stands at 10,738,512. Now, please do what you can. Use your face mask. Ensure that those hand sanitizers are going everywhere and anywhere with you. Please try as much as possible to stay out of crowded places. If you have any symptom, please isolate yourself, get medical attention. If you've not taken the vaccine, please ensure you do that and stay safe.